In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see location report in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your location insights so you can understand where your ads are getting the most traction and make more informed decisions. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct account where your campaigns are running. It also helps to set the date range at the top of the interface to the period you care about, so the numbers you'll see in the report match the time frame you're analyzing. Once you're in, head to the left-hand navigation and click Campaigns. This view brings all your active and paused campaigns into focus and ensures that the data you're about to review is tied to actual campaign performance. If you manage multiple campaigns, staying in the campaigns area gives you a clean, consolidated view of performance across your advertising. Next, click Audiences. In some layouts, this may appear as Audiences or a similarly named tab that groups together audience and contextual insights. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. Google occasionally tweaks labels, but you're in the right place when you see options related to how people are being reached. Now, click Location. This is the key step. The location view displays your location report, which breaks down performance by geography. Here, you'll typically see metrics like impressions, clicks, cost, and conversions organized by country, region, city, or even postal code, depending on your settings and data volume. This is where you can quickly identify which areas are bringing in the most valuable traffic and which ones might be underperforming. Take a moment to scan the columns. If conversions and cost per conversion are available, compare high traffic areas to high value areas. The best locations aren't just the ones with the most clicks, but the ones delivering your goals efficiently. If you're running multiple campaigns, use the filters at the top to narrow the view to a specific campaign or ad group so you can analyze location performance in context. You can also adjust the date range to see how location performance trends over time. A longer window can smooth out weekly fluctuations, while a shorter window helps you check recent changes. If you see a lot of unspecified or broad areas, that can be normal due to privacy thresholds or limited data in smaller regions. That's it. By opening your account, clicking Campaigns, then Audiences, and finally Location, you've reached the location report. Use these insights to understand where your ads resonate most and to guide future targeting and budgeting decisions.